Hello, users. Welcome back. It was a long break, but we are back with some more colleges, and this time we're going to look at one-year master's program. And today we're going to talk about Hult International Business School and its Masters in Business Analytics program, which is also known as MBAN. So, if you haven't heard about Hult, where is Hult and why we are talking about it today? It's a small private university located in beautiful city of Boston, Massachusetts, with an acceptance rate of 44% and graduation of 64%. Offers undergrad, master's, and MBA program. And we are talking about Hull today because this college was like there's been there for around 10 plus years, I think maybe 15 plus years there, but people have not heard of it. And it's quite popular for students in Boston area who are looking for 1 year master's program there, and we're going to talk in detail about the program. But about Hult, ranked as best university for experiential learning by Forage in undergraduate business schools, number 12 by Financial Times MBA, and number 13 in economics. And you'll be thinking that it is ranked in MBA, so why are you talking about master's program? Well, master's is business analytics. This is called as master's program, but this is more of an offstream of MBA. So caution, do not expect a lot of in-depth programming and details. If you are thinking about that, this will be covered in this program. It is more of an MBA towards analytics there, but it has 18 courses, 12 months duration, in online and on-campus format, offered in Boston, San Francisco, and London. And it's a full-time program there. So yes, 1 year full-time program. And for those who are coming from international, advantage you get because it's being a master's program, you get a 3 year OPT. So 1 year additional plus 2 year because it is STEM, and that's what makes this program very popular. All right. So, what does this program cover? Designed to develop data driven business leaders, focused on complex global environment, hands on learning, descriptive and prescriptive analysis. Machine learning is there, but again, at all, this is a high level here. Data visualization, and it focus on communication. And that's what we're talking about. It is more an offshoot of an MBA here. What are the skills you will learn through this? As we talked about, these are the just around the data communication and how you speak, how you present with the data. That's what this course is mostly about there. So there is around a couple of modules we will talk about here. Three modules is data fundamentals, which involves some coding, data mastery, which is AI, and data impact, which is impact challenge. We're gonna go in the details about these ones. And again, guys, this is not a sponsored post of Hult. We are just going into details of Hult. Then in the next video, we're going to talk about ASU, which is Arizona State University, which has a similar program. And then there will be a third follow-up video in which you're going to compare Hult with ASU. And if you're looking for that one, go to the comment sections to compare Hult with ASU there. All the two different colleges in two very different locations. So yes, you can just compare and see which one do you like most there and what fits your requirements. Coming back to Hult, data fundamentals, it covers about immersion, business analysis with SQL, statistics. And again, if you're not a programmer, don't get discouraged. This program is gonna not go into very much details, but it expects you to run basic SQL, understands basics of stuff, and it is just doing a slight high level of Python there, not very in depth there, right? Business challenge coding. So this was data fundamentals. Data mastery is again advanced data analysis, impactful communication, again data visualization, R for data analysis, and AI business challenge. And third module is the data impact, which talks about how do you visualize data, and have a high level machine learning courses there, which can talk about how to use machine learning. I don't know exactly what are they going to teach there. I have no idea, but it that's what is listed on the college site there. But I know from people who have gone there that it does cover the data analysis and visualization. All right, those are three modules: data fundamentals, data mastery, and data impact. What is the admission requirements? Good news, GRE scores are not required, which is a sigh of relief for people who do not want to give GRE. So, bachelor's degree, transcript, some work experience, and I think that should be good to go there for you. But the cost, how much does it cost? It's a whooping $56,000, $700 there, which is a very high for a 1 year master's program. But I'll tell you, in our third video, we're going to talk about what is the cost for Arizona State University, and you'll be surprised to see the data and the stats and the comparison. But the good news is, even with $6,000 there, Hult offers some merit based and need based awards, financial assistance, and based on our personal knowledge and what we've seen from the people, because College Hippo is based out of Boston there, you do get some financial assistance there. Depends on your grade, GPA, and how much can you influence the admission officer to take you. You should be able to get a decent amount there. I do not want to pinpoint an amount because I don't know exactly, and I don't want to just give you some false hope there. All right, so that was all about Hult's Masters in Business Analytics program, which is a 1 year, no GRE required, cost $6,000, located in beautiful city of Boston, Massachusetts. There. All right. So, any other details you want to see for Hult or any other college, go to collegehippo.com. And then in the coming up will be your Hult versus Arizona and Hult versus Northeastern University. All right. Hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the Hult universities. Feel free to leave comments and follow us. Thank you.